What's up, Gateway? I hope you're enjoying our series called Disciple, where we're learning what it means to follow Jesus. Well, about the time that Jesus' disciples were becoming confident in their abilities, they would argue about who was the greatest in the kingdom of God. And Jesus took them aside, and after a meal, he took water and he poured it into a basin, and he began to wash his disciples' feet. And in John 13, it says that he told them they must also wash one another's feet. So we're going to be looking this Sunday at the role of service in the life of the church. Are you ready to be a disciple? Join us this Sunday.